channel. Today we will know about world fisheries. So let's start this video. Fish is an important food item. From the ancient time, fishing is one of the most important occupation of humans. The term fisheries means rearing and harvesting of fishes and other aquatic species for commercial purposes. Even today, in many parts of the world, the shortage of food grains and meat is fulfilled by fish. In countries like Norway, Japan, Newfoundland, and Iceland, 10% of human food is derived from fishes. Due to numerous uses and benefit of fish, currently the fishing industry has become a major industry in many countries. Now, types of fisheries. So there are two types of fisheries: freshwater fisheries and saline water fisheries. Freshwater fisheries also known as inland fisheries, and saline water fisheries known as marine fisheries. The example of freshwater fisheries: eel, shellfish, goldfish, etc. Saline water fisheries or marine water fisheries further divided into three subparts: deep sea fisheries, open sea fisheries, shallow water fisheries. Deep sea fisheries also known as demersal, and some examples are sponge, coral, cod, sea lotus, etc. Open sea also known as pelagic. It includes whale, mackerel, tuna, soured fish, pilchard, etc. Shallow water fisheries also known as coastal fisheries. This include oyster, lobster, prawn, sardine, herring, etc. On the basis of production and consumption, fisheries may be either subsistence or commercial. Freshwater fish comprise about 16% of total fish production, while marine fish comprises 84%. Now, geographical factors for major fishing ground. The first one is abundance of planktons. Second one is temperature, temperate climate, that is cool temperature. Third one is meeting of cool and warm current. Fourth one is demand of fishes. Fifth one, market. Sixth, fishing port. Seventh, nearness to densely populated region. Eighth one is developed scientific fishing technique, and ninth one is speedy transportation facilities. So these are the some factors for the major fishing ground where on the large scale we can do fishing. Now we will see major fishing ground of the world. The world most productive fisheries are found in the cold and shallow water above the continental shelves in following principal fishing area located in northern hemisphere. The first one is the Northwest Atlantic region. This region extends from Greenland in the north to Cape Hatteras in the south. The world's largest Grand Bank of the Newfoundland lies in this region. The major variety of fisheries: couch hare, lobster, haddock, herring, cod, redfish, mackerel, halibut, tuna, etc. On map we can see here Northwest Atlantic region. This region starts from Greenland to Cape Hatteras in Atlantic Ocean. Second one is the Northeast Atlantic region. This region includes the fishing ground of northwestern Europe, extending from Ireland to Mediterranean shore. It covered some of the European countries like Norway, Denmark, Spain, Iceland, and United Kingdom. It is a world's best fish exporting region. On map we can see here, this is the Northeast Atlantic region, starts from Ireland to Mediterranean shore. And here is some of the European countries like Denmark, Britain, Norway, etc. Third one is the Northwest Pacific region. This region extends from Aleutian Island in the north to southeastern Asia. It is the world's largest fishing ground, contribute about one third of the world's total fish catch. This region has greatest asset of fishes like salmon, king crab, herring, halibut, Alaskan pollock, sardine, oyster, etc. This region borders the countries like Russia, North and South Korea, Japan, China, Philippines, and Indonesia. On map we can see here this is the Northwest Pacific region, starts from Aleutian Island to Philippines here and borders Japan, China, North South Korea. So these are the countries. Fourth one is the Northeast Pacific region. So this region stretches from Alaska to California along the western shore of North America. It is the fourth largest fishing area of the world. Major fishes found in this region are salmon and tuna in abundant, and halibut, sardine and herring in significant amount. On map we can see here from Alaska to California. This is the Northeast Pacific region. Fifth one is the Southeast Pacific region. This region extends from Pacific coast of South America, that includes Panama to Cape Horn. On map we can see here this is the Southeast Pacific region from Panama to Cape Horn. And the sixth one is West Central Pacific region. It stretches from Philippines and Indonesia southward to Australian coast. Major varieties of fishes are redfish, bass, mullet, mackerel, oyster, crab, and tuna. On map we can see here this is the West Central Pacific region.